आदू की पाठशाला।
A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cat.
C for cat.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O,
D for dog.
Q, R,
D
S,
for dog.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
E for elephant.
Next
E
time
for
won't you
elephant.
sing with me? A, B, C, D, E,
F for fish.
H,
F
I,
for
J, K,
fish.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
G for
Y, and
grapes.
Z.
G for
Now I know
grapes.
my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
A, B, H,
J
I,
for
J, K,
jug.
L, M, N, O,
G for jug.
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
K for
Now
kite.
I know my
K for
ABCs.
kite.
Next time won't you sing with me?
L for lion.
L for lion.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
M for monkey.
Q,
M
R,
for
S,
monkey.
T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
N for nest.
Next time
N
won't
for
you sing
nest.
with me?
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rabbit.
R for rabbit.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
S for sunflower.
S for sunflower.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?
T for tree.
T for tree.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
U for umbrella.
R, S,
U for
T, U,
umbrella.
V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my
V for
ABCs.
van.
Next
V
time
for
won't you
van.
sing with me?
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for Xmas.
X for Xmas.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
Y for yak.
V,
Y for yak.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time
Z
won't
for
you sing
zebra.
with me?
Z for zebra.